Oh, so ito yung mga taong famous guest of bodegas. Ah, okay.
The old dolls were the traditional process of brand making and there are shoes ma'am they used before. Pressing the grapes, crushing the grapes by foot.
Ah, so this was used to crush the grapes. Okay. Ito yung brandy making.
Aside, using for growing white grapes.
Ah,
The specific stuff.
tapos ito yung pinaka-vine.
Vineyard sa
Vineyard.
grapevine. And all butter solutions. Open the door.
May ara, gali ma'am, correct soil for growing the grapes.
Yeah. Opo, everywhere po.
2009.
Evolution. Tapos yun na po yung latest bottling natin, on the door. Solera, 2015 hanggang ngayon.
Ah, ito na yung pinakabago. Solera. Dito na maraming bumagsak, no? Bumagsak na tumba. Ah, may 2013 pa pala, oh. Galing. Galing. Ah, ito yung luma, ano. Replica lang po to.
Yes, replica lang po. Pero hanggang ngayon yan pa rin pang ginagamit natin for the distillation process. So,
Oo.
after process pa rin.
No touching. Touch me not. The jara. Used to hold the spirit.
Siyempre, bugaran po. Using for engine process.
So there.
Magpa-picture po kayo dito, mama.
O, pa-picture daw tayo dito, banda.